Principal Redario. This is very good book. So I am reading this book. Because this book is related to our business. Apart from this book, ma'am, I have read multiple books like the biography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Wings of Fire, the Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. These were really doing a great work. Ma'am, just I want to say, ma'am, I always treat myself as a learner. So I am also here to learn a lot from you because we are
But
not
you
a
have to break those things. You don't have to think about environment. Nobody is going to create environment for you have to think that how can you create artificial environment for yourself.
I think English is not a parameter of judging someone's intelligence. So, ma'am, what according to you, which one is more important, like communication skills or English speaking skills?
But communication is what? It's a complete package. Like, how do you articulate your words? How do you show
Exactly.
your body language? How do you present yourself in front of someone? Although you are very knowledgeable, and once you start speaking in front of five people, if you start fumbling, if you are nervous, if you are cold feet, it means you need to work on your skills. Hello, Sanjeet. Good afternoon. Tell me, how are you?
I am fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
I'm also doing great. Being Sunday, it's a very easy
Ma'am,
going day because I don't have any classes and I have planned certain things today. So I think I'll be able to do everything. But right now, we are here and I'm looking forward to having a great conversation with you. So, yeah, before we proceed into the conversation, Sanjeet, I feel that
thank
if
you,
you
thank you.
introduce yourself, would be better.
Thank you, ma'am. Before I start my introduction, I would like to thanks a lot for giving a precious time, especially for me. So, ma'am, as you know, my name is Sanjeev Upadhyay. I was born in Ara, from where I have done my schooling, intermediate, and graduations.
Mhm.
Apart from it, I have done my MBA, MBA in Marketing and Finance from
Mhm.
Sarla University, Jharkhand, Ranchi.
Okay.
I have almost 2 years of experience. I have almost 2 years of experience in banking sector, Fino Payment Bank and ICICI Bank as a solution manager.
Mhm.
So I have 2 years experience in banking sector. Apart from it, ma'am, as far as my family background is concerned, so I have my four family members. My parents are no more. 1 year ago, my mother passed away due to some chronic disease. So due to which I was a little bit nervous, and so finally I left my job due to some reason. And I'm trying to connect with people. I'm trying to make my own video. I'm trying to connect. I'm trying to make my video on YouTube channel. So one day I saw a video on YouTube channel. So I think I sent a mail, and definitely you request a mail, and that's why, ma'am. And after that, I am in front of you to interact with you.
Thank you so much.
Apart from it, ma'am, as far as my hobbies are concerned, so I love to read book a lot. Recently, I have bought a book. This book is very good, ma'am. You can see this book is Principal Redario. This is very good book. So I
Okay.
am reading this book. About this book is related to our business. Apart from this book, ma'am, I have read multiple books like the biography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Wings of Fire, the Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. These books talk about the habit of people, the seven common habits. Generally, we need to read, and we need to read. And these books talk about the seven common habits to success in life. Apart from it, I have
Seven
read
common habits. I would
yes,
certainly
ma'am.
love to discuss at least a few. If you remember all seven, then perfectly all right. Otherwise,
I am trying to recall that those 7 points. So first one is think win-win, and the second one is first one is proactive. We need to proactive. Second one is think win-win, and other five remaining, ma'am, I am unable to recall because since I have read this book a year ago, so I am unable to
now
recall.
you are not able to recall all those
No
points.
worries.
Yes.
Right now.
Mhm. Sounds great that you are. a book lover and you are into the habit of reading books, because reading is such a thing that it gives lots of pleasure and lots of
Definitely.
knowledge.
A lot. So I love to read books a lot. Apart from it, ma'am, I have also read a book. The name of the book is The Alchemist. This is
Alchemist.
the story of that man, The Alchemist. You can also know, ma'am, The Alchemist.
Nice. Reading is the best habit actually. So if you read, it means you just forget about everything. Once you are engrossed in reading, it just takes you in another world. Okay.
Definitely,
Nice to
ma'am.
know
Ma'am,
about that.
I
Okay, Sanjeet, I just want to know that after MBA, as you said that you started your work in a banking sector,
right, ma'am.
okay, and you did job for 2 years. Are you still working?
No, ma'am, I am not still working. I left my job
Okay,
due to some reason. So I
okay,
want to make my career in different sector like non-banking sector. Since I was in I I was doing job in my bank non-sales in operations. So they wanted to move me in non in sales. That's why I left that job. So I'm not interested for sales. That's why.
okay. So, what are you planning now? What do you think? What would be the better career than banking? Do you have anything, or you still have to plan?
No, ma'am. I am still planning. So I have thinking of my own some YouTube channel and creative writing and public speaking skills. So I am trying to learn some skills to earn money.
Okay. So let me also introduce in short in front of you so that you can know me better and the people, those who are going to watch
Definitely.
this video for the first time. So they should also know about me. I am Manju Mishra, and as I always tell that I am from Lucknow and I have been a teacher since 1990. So I dedicated my career somewhere around more than 35 years in the field of education. But in the year 2022, I retired, and after retirement, as I'm a busybody, so I thought of doing something, making myself busy. And I started my YouTube channel just to make myself busy. And that YouTube channel is really making me busy. My channel's name is Grammar with Manju Ma'am. Initially, I never thought of that I will be that much busy, because I just had in my mind that one or two videos I'll upload in a month, and that's how something I learn technically, and something I learn to record, so I learn to face the camera and all these things. That's how I started my YouTube channel. But due to that YouTube channel, I started my online classes, because I got many emails from other students that you've been teacher, ma'am, you can teach me. So that's how I got my students, not only from India, from the other part of the world also. And now I'm spending my time taking online classes. I just train the people, those who are beginners and somewhere those who are intermediate level learners. I don't teach to advanced level learners. Okay. And that's how I'm just making my time fruitful and utilizing my bonus life, which I have got after retirement. And I have a very small family of four, my husband, my two children, and me. My hobbies are very simple, very simple. I enjoy simple life actually. So yes, being teacher, that was my utmost priority, so this is my passion. Apart from this, I love to listen to music, and gardening is another passion of mine. So
Yes.
that's pretty much about me. If you have anything more to ask, you can certainly feel free to ask about anything if you have in your mind.
As you mentioned, ma'am, you always teach a beginner. So what I believe is that, ma'am, you are definitely you are capable of those students who are already in advance. So obviously, ma'am, you can teach all of them. What I believe is that.
But my passion is, I actually feel that advanced level learners, they can learn from anywhere. Hardly people have patience to teach the beginners, because lots of energy is required to teach the beginners. They struggle for each
Definitely, ma'am,
little
you are
thing. Yeah, they don't know
definitely.
why he eats and why I eat. They don't know this even. So Either you give the name of grammar or you give the name of a right structure. So they have to understand each and everything. So I feel for beginners, somebody has to have greater patience, and I have that. So I feel that I am made for beginners and intermediate level learners. When I was a teacher, that time also the most notorious class was given to me, thinking that Manju ma'am can manage this class, she can handle it. So I feel that beginners and intermediate level learners, they need more patience, and I feel that I can train them. So that's how I'm enjoying my life actually. Whatever I'm doing, I'm just enjoying every bit of it. After retirement, I never had thought that I will get this opportunity to connect with people, not only from India, from the other part of the world also. So that I'm getting, when I connect, I get to know about them, I talk with them, I use my time in a productive manner. So yes, that's wonderful
Definitely,
actually.
ma'am.
I
It's
have no words to explain that what kind of happiness I get when I connect with people, when I talk to them, and when I see that somebody is getting a little confidence after talking with me. So I feel even better.
thank you and thank you so much. Ma'am. You are really doing a great work. Ma'am, just I want to say, ma'am, I always treat myself as a learner. So I am also here to learn a lot from you because you have a
So there are two types of people. One who lives for himself or herself, and one who
right,
lives for others. So living for himself or herself, even animals can also do. They are also living their
right,
life.
ma'am, right.
If we have been blessed being human being, so we should always think of living for others. Living
You
for
are very.
others.
You
Okay.
have
So
mentioned, ma'am, very good point. You have mentioned a very good point, ma'am.
yes, because see, in my career of 35 years, I don't know, I can't count that how many students I taught. It means, it means I did not only live for for myself. I lived for others also. Some have become doctors, some have become engineers, some have become pilot, and they still remember me. So I feel that yes, I did something for others too. Of course, the greed was of mine. I worked because that time it was my need. I had to run my family. But now what I'm doing, I'm enjoying, and I'm just willing to spread whatever experience, knowledge I have.
I think English is not a parameter of judging someone's intelligence. So, ma'am, what according to you, which one is more important, like communication skills or English speaking skills?
Okay? So communication, when it comes, and first and foremost, leave that communication. I want to tell everybody that we need not to judge somebody just on the basis of language.
Right, ma'am.
Somebody may not have English language, but he or she can be better in the other language. Yeah, you can speak in the other language, but when you are knowledgeable, you cannot be simply judged by this English. Okay, English is second language for us. We all are acquiring this language. So others, those who are good at this language, they should never pull the leg of others, those who are trying to learn this language. Okay, so if somebody is making fun of someone, I would certainly request everybody, let people learn even to join two words. Later on, certainly they can join 20 words to make bigger sentences. Okay, and that's how learning takes place. So communication is an art, and both are important. If you will have language, then only you can communicate.
Definitely, ma'am. Whether it
Both
is
are two
Hindi
sides
or
of one
English or
coin.
any language. Right,
Yes.
ma'am. Apart from it, I have one more question. When it comes to English, ma'am, when we introduce ourselves, so most of the time I have seen many people introducing like this is XYZ by telling her, and this say, for example, this is Sanjeet this side, I am Sanjeet, my name is Sanjeet. Ma'am, according to you, which one is right? Myself is also somebody say
myself
myself
is
Sanjeet.
myself is
Myself
not
is
right. Myself is not right. You can say I am Sanjeet, you can say this is Sanjeet also, but I am Sanjeet is more formal, more official. You can use this anywhere, even in the office for the interview or anything. Myself, Sanjeet, is not right. We should not use. But yeah, you might have heard people saying myself XYZ. Okay.
Right. This is Sanjit. Is this right, ma'am? This is Sanjit.
I don't think so. This is Sanjeet also, we should not say, but
Ma'am, what I, yes, ma'am. What I believe is that, ma'am, this and that is
used
used for
for non-living
objects
things,
of
non-living things,
non-living things.
non-living
So why,
things. Yes.
ma'am, most of the people use this is Sanjit this side. So I have question
This
running in
side,
my mind.
Sanjeet, it is correct. This side, Sanjeet, this is
Yes,
correct.
ma'am.
But this is
Yes,
Sanjeet,
ma'am.
this is something awkward. It is understandable, but awkward.
Ma'am, I am also a beginner. So tell me about some tips that I could improve my English well. Like you speak very fluent. When it comes to fluency, I do not have fluency, so that's why I wanted to practice with people, great teacher like you. So tell me some points or tips that I could improve my English.
Uh, yes, Sanjeev, everybody knows that what is to be done. Okay, everybody knows. You also might have heard in many of my videos. I have even shared that there are four pillars where you need to build up your building. Okay, so and those four pillars are LSRW. Yeah, listening, reading, writing, and speaking. But the most important aspects are listening and speaking. A child learns, like we learned Hindi. How did we learn Hindi? If you are from Ara, you might have learned Bhojpuri. How did you learn Bhojpuri? Just by
Just by
listening,
listening.
and then you started speaking. You did not read any book initially. You did not write, because we start writing somewhere at the age of 3, 4, or after at least 2.5 years. Okay, so writing and reading comes later. Initially, listening and then speaking. So
Yes,
that is very important. And you are already reading many books. Okay. So when you read books, then you get many ideas. You have lots of knowledge. You can speak about anything because the books you have read, like you said, APJ Abdul Kalam's biography, Subhash
wings
Chandra
of
Bose
fire.
biography. Okay, so such books, if you have read, so you might have come across lovely words, beautiful idioms and phrases, and then the thoughts, thoughts which are shared in those books. Okay, so once you are reading, just you have to invest a little more time to listening. Practice listening. Listen some English contents. Consume more of English contents in the form of movie, in the form of serials, in the form of podcast or conversation videos, or even if you are what is to say, if you love sports, you can listen to commentaries, because these days commentaries are also in English. So somehow you have to just consume more of contents for listening. And while listening, if you just come across certain words which you do not know, or the clarity is not there in your mind about that word, so we should write those words. We should try to use those words many times, means try to become an active listener. One thing with listen, like news, when I listen, I simply listen to certain things. I don't listen actively. Okay, but when I watch something, any English content, then I listen it actively. Any word which I feel, oh, I don't know, I haven't heard this word. I try to write that word then and there, and I try to find those words, and then I use those words even in my thinking also. So you have to just engross yourself in English, in terms of listening, in terms of reading, in terms of speaking. But mostly what people lack is speaking. You can read, you can listen. But when it comes to speaking,
We
the
are
basic
lacking.
problem is that no partner. And
Yes,
secondly,
environment is the main issue, ma'am. We do not have
environment is,
environment,
but
so we are
but
not
you
able
have
to
to
speak.
break those things. You don't have to think about environment. Nobody is going to create environment for you have to think that how can you create artificial environment for yourself. Out of 24 hours, take out 10 minutes. This is my time. This is me time. And those 10 minutes, lock yourself in a room, take up any topic, speak alone. Speak alone, record that. If you want to check whether you spoke correctly or you went wrong, record yourself. And after recording, listen to that content once again. That is very important. That what you spoke, if something went wrong, second time, just correct those things. That much you
Yes,
have to do. That much you have to do, and that you have to do it every day. Even though 10 minutes you are doing, but do it on a regular basis. That is very important. And usually, what
okay.
happens if you are listening, suppose my videos you are watching, okay? What usually people do? By the time you will watch for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you will think, now I think I can understand everything what ma'am spoke. And by the time the other pop-up you see on your screen, you just switch on from that video to the other video, okay? You start watching that. It happens. It's human tendency. Nothing abnormal, okay? But you have to hold yourself. Stop. I'm not talking about only my video, okay? Whatever you are watching, watch that
Right.
content for 10, 15 minutes. Try to watch that second time if you are not clear about. Twice when you listen to that content, think of speaking about it. Close the video. Whatever you heard, how much you have retained in your mind that you try to speak. Alone you speak. First, you think in your
Definitely.
mind whether you are able to recall everything or not. If you think that, oh, something I missed out, listen to that third time, fourth time, but make it a point. What you heard, was it really stored here in your computer data, computer brain? If it is, then speak it out loud, loudly speak. Don't feel hesitant that what my wife will say, or what my sister will say, or what my mother will say, or what my neighbor will say. My neighbors, they must be listening to me or hearing me, that she's shouting every time because I take classes. I'm always busy doing something or the other, but I'm enjoying
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
my
This
life. I have nothing to do with my neighbors, if they are feeling awkward about this, okay? Because I'm enjoying,
yes,
my
ma'am.
life is for myself, not for others.
This is our profession, so you can enjoy, ma'am, definitely.
Yes, yes. So that's how you need to practice a little. But you are speaking well, Sanjeet. I must say, you are speaking well. You
Uh,
just have to remove a little bit of hesitation, and you don't
right, ma'am.
have to self doubt. Don't doubt
Uh,
about yourself that I'm not able to speak. Or if it is coming into your mind that I have studied from a small place, it's not a big city, it was not a metropolitan city, so I didn't get environment. Nobody got environment. I studied in a government school, okay? And throughout, I studied in girls school and girls college, so I never had environment to interact with men. But once I started working, I interacted with men. I never had any problem. Okay. So
right,
we
ma'am.
need to create our
Uh,
own environment. And Sanjeet, I would tell you that hardly we have 3 more minutes to talk. Then the call will disconnect. Okay. Only 40 minutes
so,
time we get on the Zoom. If you have any questions, quickly you can just come up with that question.
Definitely, ma'am. So, ma'am, for the last month, as you mentioned, speak yourself and record yourself to practice. So, for the last month, I am speaking myself in front of my mobile camera, and I am also recording, and I listen after that. And again, I am practicing, so it really it's improved. I have improved myself when it comes to English speaking. So I am doing same things, and I listen some videos on YouTube, a good podcast. I am also listening new channels and so many things that I could improve my English languages.
Yes, that's the reason you are able to speak so well. You are
Um,
speaking. Okay. So
earlier,
you don't have to.
earlier,
Yes, yes, please.
Earlier, ma'am, I was not able to speak due to practice. So I thought, let me start some practice. So I started practice by recording myself, and so I am here to in front of you, ma'am. So I'm not, I know I make a lot of mistakes. So I still need a lot of improvement.
Just
So I
keep
am
on
trying to
speaking.
improve.
Just forget about
Right,
mistakes. Keep on speaking. Keep on rectifying your mistakes. That's it. There is no other mantra to improve any language. Okay, don't
Right.
have a fear of making mistakes or getting judged by someone. Okay, don't think of it, and then you can become even better. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Sanjeev.
Ma'am, one more thing, ma'am. What I believe is that English speaking should be very simple and very effective. Some of the people speaks like in English just like very advanced English. Let bygones be bygones, like that. Ma'am, it should also be happen whatever has happened so happen. So why people, most of the people use very advanced English. Somebody doesn't understand well, so
No,
they
no,
can't
it
understand or they
depends
can't.
on Sanjeev. It depends on. Sorry, I'm just stopping you in between because time is less. That's the reason. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, uh, why they are speaking advanced words or they are using idioms and phrases? Their
Right,
aim
ma'am.
is different. Okay, as I told you, my videos are for beginners and intermediate level learners. If they are speaking and using advanced words, it means their videos or their content or their interaction with advanced level people. Maybe that could be the reason. Or some are logophile people. They want to use difficult words, different words. So that's their choice. Life is yours, life is mine. We have to choose whether I want to speak advanced words or I need to speak so that most of the people can understand. So, whoever connects with me, they always say that, ma'am, you speak simple English. So, I understand. Both are okay, whether you use advanced words or you use simple words, because if you are learning and you have already achieved a certain level, then naturally you will try to improve more and more, and then it comes to use the advanced words. Okay, so both are okay. Those who are speaking advanced words, for them, the advanced level learners would like those videos and they will learn from those videos also. Okay, so both the ways it's fine, but
Okay.
initially use simple words, but become fluent. That is important. You need to be expressive,
Yes.
you need to express well. Okay, Sanjeev.
Okay, thank you, and
Yeah.
thank you so much for accepting my email to interact with me.
It's my pleasure, and I'm
Because
also very happy that the time you gave, you were very much there at that very time. So I'm really very happy because I always want that people should value time, and I love such people, those who really value time.
definitely, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Sanjeet. It
Ma'am,
was a
what
wonderful session.
I also believe, ma'am. Yes,
Hmm.
yes, ma'am. What I believe is that, ma'am, most of the people think time is money, but I believe is that time is more precious than money. So I always
Time
value the
cannot be
time.
compared with anything. Everything you can buy,
Right.
everything you can get, but the time which has gone can never
Yeah,
be taken
that's
back.
why.
It cannot be.
That's why, ma'am.
Time is,
That's why, ma'am. I am.
yes,
Yes. That's why, ma'am, I'm saying time is more precious than
it's
money. So
invaluable.
we could value the
Yes.
time. Yes, ma'am, invaluable.
Okay. Okay, Sanjeet. So lovely talking to you. See you again. If time allows, we'll connect again. So today, just let me wind up the session.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. Bye
Sure,
bye.
ma'am. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, Sanjeet. Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks.
Sanjit, one thing you can do, you can send your one image for making thumbnail, okay, on the email only.
Here, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I can send.
okay,
I can
okay,
send. Ma'am.
okay. Bye,
Definitely.
Sanjit.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Bye, bye.
Okay, ma'am. I have some questions when it comes to English languages. Many of my friends or many people have myth.
Sanjit,
Uh,
just speak a little louder, a little louder.
okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I just wanted to say many of my friends or many people have some myth, right? When it comes to English language, ma'am, English and communication. When it comes to communication or English, both we can both learn. So English is a language and communication is the art. So most of my friends they are judging someone just by speaking English. I think English is not a parameter of judging someone's intelligence. So, ma'am, what according to you, which one is more important, like communication skills or English speaking skills?
See, it's a complete package, Sanjit. Whether it's English language, whether you talk about English speaking, or you talk about communication. Why somebody wants to learn English language? What is the need of learning English language? Because somebody wants to communicate in public. It's not just for speaking in the room. If I learned English, I had to teach in my school. Yes. So somebody has to speak in public. That is called communication is what? It's a complete package. Like, how do you articulate your words? How do you show
Exactly.
your body language? How do you present yourself in front of someone? Although you are very knowledgeable, and once you start speaking in front of five people, if you start fumbling, if you are nervous, if you are cold feet, it means you need to work on your skills. Yes. So communication is an art, actually. It is an art. You
Exactly.
have knowledge and you are not able to present yourself. It's of no use. It's of no use.